Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be restoring this first generation Apple mouse. I haven't really done any videos like this so far, just tell me what you think. Anyway, the reason why I chose to do this is because I saw this at like a yard sale. It was super cool. Alright, so I just bought it and wanted to see if I could make it look really cool. Alright, let's get started. First, just take out the bottom part and take out the trackball, set that off to the side. We will be needing that back in a minute. And there's 4 of these Phillips head screws that I will be taking apart with my iFixit kit. Alright, now you're just gonna pull off this little cover here. Set this off to the side, and we will be cleaning this in a second. And pretty much this is as far as it can be taken apart. There's a few more little things I can do to make the bottom cover easier. So you can take out this little board in here with the same Phillips head bit. Pull this little thing out here, just pull it up and out, and this will sort of break away the little circuit board and thing away from the bottom enclosure. Right, now for this next part, we are going to be cleaning these like exterior housing panels as well as the trackball with alcohol. Now the percentage doesn't really matter. This is the cheapest one. This is the best one I can find, especially during the virus. It's hard to find more pure alcohols. Anyway, so just sort of put a little piece of it on a damp rag, just like this. Do that a few times where you have a nice little circle, and just sort of rub it around until it gets a lot of the more, it can be smells, it can be stains, scratches. This may take a few minutes as it is kind of hard to get all of it off. Alright, that is a lot better. So now you just wipe around with alcohol. Just gets the little stains off of it and such. All the extra little stuff that's built up. Alright, set that off to the side. Now all that's left is this little circuit board and this little trackball cover. This can get quite dirty, especially in a little pad. So you might want to put that in the sink as well. It just kind of depends on how bad it is. This one really isn't that bad. So I'm just gonna wipe around with alcohol. And that looks a lot better. It looks very good. Alright, finally this. So this doesn't need a whole lot of cleaning. If there's extra dust that's built up, you might just want to wipe around. Stuff like that. There you go. Circuit board looks pretty good. But it's this cable that really can get very dirty, because this, I doubt it was meant to be this gray, and does look pretty worn out. So yeah, you're just going to want to find that wet spot of alcohol on your rag there. Put it around the cable like that, and just there we go. I am officially done with this. Now all we gotta do is reassemble it successfully, and we will see how it looks. So this cable does still have some marks on it and stuff, but it's, first of all, a lighter color, and second of all, there's not near as much just like extra stuff on the outside. and you're done. So this is it. Little mouse. I don't remember what it is. The Apple Desktop Bus mouse. This is, I believe, from 1984. I believe it came with the first Macs. And correct me if I'm wrong, of course, but anyway, this has been, in my opinion, a pretty cool video. Good success. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, feel free to leave a like on this video. Leave a dislike if you didn't, and I will see you all in the next one.